How to hide the Instagram app on your home screen on Android. This tutorial walks you through making Instagram invisible on your home screen without uninstalling it. Open your app drawer and tap on the three dots at the top right. And then you may select Settings. From there, tap on Hide Apps. At this point, scroll through the list and find Instagram. Tap on it to select it. You'll see a check mark appear next to it. Once done, tap Apply or Done at the bottom to confirm. From here, go back to your home screen and Instagram should no longer be visible. And the next step, to access Instagram again, just swipe up to open the app drawer. It will still be there even though it's hidden from the home screen. After that, if you ever want to unhide it, go back to Settings, tap on Hide Apps, find Instagram, deselect it, and tap Apply. And finally, keep in mind, this method hides the app from your home screen and app drawer. The app is still installed and running on your device. And that's it. If this helped you hide Instagram on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next one.